Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of Calm app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Calm and you can click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.